Gracie Abrams has spent years watching Taylor Swift up close, first as an opening act, then as a genuine friend and collaborator. And in a new Rolling Stone cover story, she revealed exactly what that experience taught her about handling her own career. Reflecting on how fans often analyze her lyrics without knowing the real story behind them, Abrams explained that she's become comfortable letting listeners interpret her music through their own personal lens. She credited watching Swift's approach to creativity for helping shape that mindset, describing how Swift's ability to consistently put out new work feels rooted not just in output, but in a genuine sense of internal freedom. Here's the specific insight that stood out most. Abrams said Swift's years of learning to tune out outside feedback comes from an earned, deeply personal relationship with herself. According to Abrams, witnessing that firsthand has helped her feel far less precious about her own ego, letting go of worries about whether a song will still feel relevant to her months down the line. So here's a question worth asking: why does this specific lesson matter for a songwriter, more than just general career advice? Abrams' music is known for being intensely personal and diary-like, which means every release comes with real vulnerability attached. Learning to release work without obsessing over how it'll be perceived, or whether it'll still reflect exactly how she feels later, is a genuinely difficult skill for any artist working in that confessional style. Abrams has spoken about this mentorship dynamic before, too. She's previously described Swift as feeling like a genuinely safe space whenever she has questions navigating her career, and has credited touring alongside her during the Eras tour as helping put the realities of fame and public scrutiny into perspective. Elsewhere in the same Rolling Stone story, fellow musician Noah Kahan discussed a similar theme, sharing that he and Abrams have had extended conversations about the challenge of writing deeply personal songs, only to later share them with the entire world. Here's a bigger question worth sitting with: how much does having a mentor who's already navigated extreme public scrutiny help a rising artist protect their own mental space and creative confidence? For Abrams, that relationship with Swift seems to have become less about industry connections and more about genuine emotional grounding. It's a nice reminder that even at the highest levels of fame, growth often comes from watching someone else model resilience, not just talent. So, who's a mentor or role model who shaped how you approach your own work or creativity? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look into Gracie Abrams' journey, subscribe for more music news and artist interviews.